Hey guys, welcome to Tech Rohit. Guys, this is Blurin Gaming from server 773. In this video, I will tell you about some little secret tasks that can give you wholesome rewards in exchange. So this video is for beginners or newcomers who want to know about the game, and also the experts can see this video because something's there for them also. Okay, so there are lots of tasks and events going on in last war. Like if you always check your alliance, you can get digging pleasure like this treasures. Okay, you can see, just click on this gift icons to take these, and you can see we got 2k upgrade ore and 400 refined ore. Keep an eye on alliance about those digging treasures. Okay, so there's one more you can see in truck section, secret mobile squad. You have to complete these to get hidden treasures pieces, and once you complete all the puzzles, you can get bigger treasure. Click on this and you'll get lots of rewards like this. Okay, you can also complete the ally tasks which can give you higher rewards. Wait for higher ones to just click on these, and you can assist your allies 5 times and get these rewards for free. Okay, so for newcomers you can also send your trucks like this, and you can earn full some rewards for this also. You can see some got robbed, but I get some, and you just have to deploy one truck. Again, you can get 4 times truck deploy. Okay, so here you can also earn lots of rewards, and there's an hidden reward in this section which is called arena. If you Only few people know that if you like these 3 persons, you'll get 30 diamonds per like. Okay, like this, you can see successfully you received 30 diamonds. You can like 3 times and you can get 90 diamonds in return. Only few people know, 5 to 10% people know this, so you can get this diamond for free of cost. Also, if you go to your alliance, you can earn alliance gifts for rallies and attacks. Just you have to click on the claim and boom. Also, you can get rewards by donation. You just have to go to alliance stake and just donate the coins, and you will get the alliance coins in return, and you can go to alliance store to redeem all of these coins. You can see you can get all of these for these coins. Okay, so use them wisely. One more thing to get rewards is in event section. You can go to event section and you can compete in arm race, and you can be in top 3 and get more rewards, or you just complete it and get these chest and rewards in it. Also, there are lots of events going on. Just play 3 times and you can get all these for free. There's also Winterstorm Battlefield, you can compete in it and get more rewards. There's Zombie Siege, there's Alliance Exercise. You just have to donate and defend the alliance and get more rewards for completing it. You can see there's also Rampage Boss. You just have to attack it, and when it get disappear, you'll get more rewards like this. You just have to attack it, whether your power is good or bad, you just have to attack it. You'll get the rewards for killing it after it gets to 0% health. Okay, then you just have to come back and click on this link, click on this guy and get the rewards. There's also lots of community diamond rewards you can get, as you can link your Discord, Facebook, Twitter, and get 500 diamonds for free. So there are also plundering tasks given in this truck section, you can plunder all these trucks by your power. If you have good power, then go for higher power trucks, and if you have lower power, then you can target these small trucks and you can plunder. Like for example, I will show you by plundering this truck. You just have to plunder it by using all your power, and you'll get this reward like this. Okay, so that was one time, and you can plunder the trucks for 4 times. Okay, so I was just showing example. There's also a secret task like this. You can see these tasks which are going on enemies field. You can plunder it. You can just click on this link and boom, you got this for free. You can plunder this task, secret task, 5 times, so you can get all the loot for free. You just have to find those boxes. The pink one and the orange one gives you bigger reward, so find orange or the pink, violet, sorry, and you can plunder them and get more rewards like this. You can get bigger amount of experience and other rewards. So guys, this is for today. I hope this video is useful to you. Then subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon for more update like this.